Hi, Shazala Beauty Galo here. Thank you for passing by. If you are new, karibu sana. And to my returning subscribers, I love you. So today I'll be taking you through this full-faced makeup look with a touch of dramatic eyes. I hope you'll enjoy it. If you've not yet subscribed, kindly do so. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and share. Without further ado, let's get it rolling. I'll moisturize my skin using this Nivea moisturizing cream. Then fast forward to eyeshadow part. So to the eyeshadow, I'll use a Too Faced eyeshadow palette. It is so dramatic and I love it. Then to prime my eyelids, I'll be using this Office concealer. I'll start with a pink shade from the inner side of my eye, and going towards the outer, I'll use a navy blue color. So make sure you blend it in, the navy blue and pink. You just bring in the blue to the pink side and make sure there's a soft transition in between those two colors. Since I want to create a cut crease, I'll clean up the excess, and I'm using this Vaseline with an angled brush. So make sure you just apply where you're supposed to clean up the excess. You can still use a makeup remover to do that. There's a lot of noise in the background. I'm sorry guys. So to wipe the excess, you can still use wipes, but here I'm using an earbud. So done with that, we'll go ahead to create our clean cut crease. Since I have these hooded eyes, I prefer creating my cut crease juu kiasi. Boom, there we go. We're done with that. So to the outer corner, I'll apply a purple shade. Unfortunately, phone yangu ilizima. So back to what we were doing, I'll go ahead and apply blue. Though this blue color is kind of shimmer, so that's why I prefer applying it using my fingerprints. Then to the inner corner, I'll apply yellow. So to this remaining part, I'm applying silver using this Colourful. It's an eyeliner. And I'll use the same eyeliner to define my cut crease. So just apply it around. Though later on I'll emphasize, nitaipaka mingi kiasi. Yeah, there we go, done to the lower lid. I'll use a silver pencil. So before applying my lashes, I do apply mascara first, then apply my lashes. Then we use this Revlon eyeliner to define your look yote. So done with all that, I'll go now to the general face. To prime my face, I'm using this Office primer. It is not recommended for oily skin. So it's just for dry skin and maybe normal. Make sure your beauty blender is a bit wet. So to the foundation, I'm using Revlon in combination with L'Oreal. So I'll combine these two to form my shade. If you have an oily skin, I'll recommend you use this foundation, Zaron. Currently it's among my best and I love it. Done with the foundation. I'm happy about it. So let's go to highlight and contour. To highlight, I'm using Zaron concealer stroke highlighter. So I'll just apply the basic parts where I want to highlight. Then I'll blend it in. As I was highlighting, I could clean up the eyeshadow part so that my wing is more defined and clean. So make sure when you contour stroke highlight, hakuna those harsh lines. Done with all that, we'll go to setting it up. And I'm using such a setting powder. Had already blushed first. And you know I love my nose being sharper as it can. So after that you clean up the excess. Then boom, we're done with that. We're going to highlight, and I'm using Office highlighter. And there we go, we're almost done with our look. So I'll fast forward the lipstick part since I didn't even have the black lipstick, so I just use a pencil, a black pencil. And this is my final look, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you apply mascara after spraying, not before. And boom, there we go. This look was inspired by the top that I'm wearing, or rather vest. I hope you enjoy it. Till next Saturday, bye.